This is a replacement fan motor I installed in our bathroom, and this is one of those parts that actually matters more than people realize. A working bathroom fan helps control moisture, and when it fails, that moisture can turn into mold and long-term damage. Our old fan was a Broan 678C, and this motor was a direct one-to-one replacement. Instead of replacing the entire fan housing and cutting it to the ceiling, I was able to just swap the motor and restore proper ventilation. Before starting, make sure you shut the power off at the breaker and verify it's off. We're going to need to remove the fan assembly for this replacement, and that can expose some wiring. So taking that additional safety step is important.
Just verifying out we do have our power off. We just turned it off at the box.
While I had the housing open and exposed, it was a good opportunity to clean out the dust that built up over time. Once installed, the fan was noticeably quieter and moved air the way it should. We tested airflow, and you can clearly see it pulling air properly. This kind of repair isn't just about saving money. It's about keeping moisture under control and protecting the bathroom long term.